Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log in EPFO Employee Account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your EPFO Employee Account, what you can do is just open up a browser, and after opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for EPFO Employee Login. And after searching for that, you will come up to this page, and over this page you just have to tap on this option which says EPFO for Employees. And then you will come up to this website where you can tap on services, and inside your services option you can find a second option which says for employees. Just tap on for employees, and after tapping on for employees, now you have to scroll down, and here you will come up to your services section, and over here you can select any option that you would like. After searching for that, now what you can do is enter your UAN username, you can enter your password, and then enter the caption which is auto. After tapping on that website, you will come up to this page where you can enter your UAN and then enter your password and then enter the caption which you can see here. So just simply enter your details. After doing that, you can simply tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in, you will successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your password, what you can do is just tap on forgot password, and after tapping on forgot password, you can just simply reset or recover your password that you have forgotten. And after creating a new password, just come back to this page and enter that new password that you have created. And after tapping on sign in, you will successfully log into your EPFO employee account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your EPFO employee account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.